Hey guys, Miss Jen from the Discovery Museum, and what better way to celebrate the end of April with some April showers? I mean, it doesn't get much better than this, right? So, what are you gonna do today? Are you gonna be like me and put on some galoshes so you can splash in puddles? Are you gonna do some science experiments all about rain? Come join me! Let's go! I just found the best puddle to jump around in. It's huge! I can't wait. Are you gonna jump too? Come join me! Good luck finding some good puddles to jump in. Make sure you wear your rain boots and go have some fun. This is awesome! It is a rainy day here today, and we are celebrating rain because it's April showers, right? So I have a couple of materials here for a cool science experiment, cool science activity that I would like for you to try. Okay, so I have a water bottle, a pair of scissors, a ruler, and a Sharpie marker. So what we're going to do is today we're going to create a rain gauge. A rain gauge is what is typically used to measure how much rain has fallen. Now rain gauges are, we use rain gauges to measure in inches, which sounds weird, but we measure how much precipitation has fallen in inches. Now, they typically use a container that has sort of a triangular shaped lid so that even if it warms up and the rain starts to evaporate, the moisture inside starts to evaporate, it can't get outside, it just condenses and then falls back down. So, we are going to be using our water bottle. But we are going to change things up a little bit. I don't want to just use a plain old water bottle. I want you to take this, cut the top, and then flip it upside down so it'll have even less likelihood that the rain will get out. So I'm going to use my scissors to cut maybe somewhere around here. Now, if you don't have really good grip or you don't have really good ability to cut with scissors, you might want to get an adult's help for this. So that's going to be my first step, is I'm going to That wasn't too hard. So you're going to take this part and you're going to flip it upside down. It used to look like this. Now we're going to flip it upside down and then pop it in here. Alright. Get rid of the lid. Now we're going to use our ruler and we're going to mark inches from the bottom on our water bottle. I don't want this to pop off, so I might need to get some tape to tape it on. But now I can take my rain gauge, set it outside somewhere safe and secure, and I can use it to measure how much rain has fallen. Because again, the water is going to go down here, and it's not going to be able to come back out. So I can leave it for the weekend, see how much rain I collect over a period of time, and then measure it in inches, just like official meteorologists do.